So I'm happy to say that the project to turn these silos into a working space, a workshop, has turned out quite well. I would like to show you around. It's not done, but we're getting close. So we got some shelves and storage space, and I have this work desk to assemble stuff. Then if we move on, that's one silo, and if we move on to the second silo, I have now another workbench for woodwork, and I managed to get myself a saw to do small wood cutting and plastic. The last room is not really done yet, but I'm hoping to do some woodwork, some raw woodwork here with a chainsaw. And then I have this latte machine. So all this is like a okay setup, and I'm quite happy about it.